Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes. Good afternoon to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. Now me and my brother, Comrade Stanley Sazos Akunokodi. Some minutes, please. Please share, and join. Invite your friends, please. Click your share, because me, I'm sharing now already to different groups and forums. So I expect you to do the same. Please share. Share. Click your share button, please. I'm sharing. I'm still sharing. I'm looking for a group. Okay. Yeah. Greetings to everyone. Now me and my brother, Comrade Stanley Sazos Akunokodi. Yes, say we make promise before, say our own and to continue to punish them with the truth. So you see, get waiting, we still identify today. Now we say, make we come out, make we talk out. Shall you see the inauguration or the flag off what they do for Universe Sport Complex now? Not the APC flag off. Now EPM flag off, sponsored by Ahmed Bola Tinubu for a 2023 presidential ambition. Osinbajo is coming there, the president will not come. Osinbajo is a puppet to Tinubu. So they just want to use our color to show you, say, APC government is support. They had a take out and say, Yamu, see president yesterday. Now lobby, now Ganduje, now lobby, because the chief of staff to the president never ever approved any of such meeting from the beginning. Now Ganduje, now lobby, remove POA, go see president. Then the Asakpuke from Edo, Oshomole, the preventer, enough is see president, enough for no one can say this is the candidate of Edo. No, it was not even allowed. You go see the rate at which they celebrated yesterday. You go know say, now really for a specific aim. Then you see this House of Assembly drama where they do, now because of this inauguration. Some people they say, oh, Baseki should take an action against them. No. All these people, they be desperate, evil people. Now the truth, they be evil people, more not better again. They are evil. What did they be want? They want make crisis happen. Make the for sure opportunity to raise alarm, say, may they declare the state of emergency. Then they will say, the president will say, we don't remove the governor. The president will say, we don't remove the governor. You understand? But as we speak, they fail totally. They fail totally. So now, the thing now, don't they pepper them seriously? It don't they pepper them. So they don't know what they want to do again. Then they run from pillar to post, from one location to another, to make sure, say, they deliver. That is shame. They are not for. So they try to smoke on the guy for the backyard, make him enter, make go to the president. They do. Then again, as they say, what make them celebrate picture? What make they celebrate picture? They celebrate picture because they never believe, say, the EPM candidate will ever feel reach that place. They don't believe. Now, I want to tell you one simple truth. I make one post on my wall about Ogboru. Great Ogboru received flag from President Buhari. At the end of the day, he don't win election. So even when the president was in Imo State, he said, vote for me and vote for your choice in governorship. You don't hear me? So the truth of the matter is very clear. As they're doing rich, Ogboru at the end of the day lose the election. So if anybody tell you say election will be rigged, now lie you. Now again, make we send this message to our supporters around the world and to those who are supporting the Governor Obaseki. When fight starts in a boxing game, you'll see that they'll say, commentator will say, we are welcoming the most powerful man, the most powerful man in the world, 3 lightweight, has so and so bet, so and so this. He has been able to fight. He has destroyed 7 fights with no knockout, 10 fights with no. His name is Anthony Joshua. The next one you hear, he has weighed 10 pounds. He's 50 pounds. 7 fights without a knock. Mr. Runs, as the case may be. When the fight starts, believe the both sides going to blow each other. Till when the final victory comes. So you don't go say as if it fight, the blow not going to come from 2 ways. Now, so all this way they see, whether they do, what you must expect. But at the end of the day, Edo people will triumph over these evil people. 80% of the people who deal with them for stadium there, they were bought. They buy them. Honorable member of House of Assembly is 40 million. Courtist, maybe you be number 1, or you be ESCO for courtesy, 50 million. 100 million they be, but if I pay you 50, up from me to mobilize your men for courtist. Then, when you don't get the one you did, the one you take count overhead, the one bring you come up for a side rally. The one bring you come up for a side rally is 3,000. 1 egg roll and 1 3,000 naira, 1 egg roll and 1 covered can coke. 1 egg roll and 1 can coke. Then they bring for that one. For you, if you're an ordinary person. So everything you see there today, EPM have succeeded in spending nothing less than 400 to 500 million today alone. Now ask, how will they make this money back? It is a known fact that those are assembly members we are giving 40,000 naira. It is a known fact that already local government area, the councillor there, were promised for 5 million. They gave them an upfront of 1 million each. They never pay the balance now. I want to ask, where are they going to recover these monies from? Where are they going to recover it from? Where are they going to get this kind of money from? Ask yourself the simple question. All the money that they are spending now, you think they'll just spend it and they'll just say, we don't rest. No. They must collect this money back. The question now is, where are they going to get this money from? Or it is the one you spend through. So, the truth of the matter is, this set of corrupt people, they are very desperate. I don't know this word before, and I want to repeat it again. If as they bear the kind of desperation where they get, if they go somewhere, they tell and say, for you to win this election, you need to bury 10 newborn baby. They will do it. They will do it all for power. Oshomole rule you. He beat everybody when he want rule, when he rule. He not go, he not beat. He finish. He wants to take on the rule over people. One of that one don't still enter. Since when Obaseki became governor, how many elders you don't see and say insult for this Edo? as a governor wey power suppose dey sweet. How many elders you don't ever see say Obaseki insult? Oshomole insult the one wey dey go Ika, insult the one wey dey go Udo, insult the one wey dey go Lagos, insult the one wey dey come from Lagos. Nobody wey no insult, but insult dey pay him for body. But insult dey pay him for body. So the message is very clear. As they just dey so, as you just see them, you organize themselves so. Nobody they do things there willingly. All those people now paid personality. Paid personality. All of them. No one is removed. Everybody in that place now paid personality. If you see analyze them from the starting to the end, some are businessmen. All of the A to Z, now group of people where they make money from the head of the masses. Go and confirm. Now they did no genuine organization. There's no genuine one. Everybody there is for monetary interest. If me, they cry say, you did not give me tickets, you did not give me the right to collect revenue, and I can't go to support another person, they dance, they happy. You don't use your sense. No, say don't promise me. Say if I enter, if he enter, he go give me revenue. Tell them to tell you the promises they made to these people. They should come and say it. Let the other people know. They should come and say the promises they made to these persons. They should say it. Let the other people know. They are bargaining with your collective words. With our collective words. That is what they are bargaining with now. No worry, if I enter, I will make you this. No worry, if I enter, you will be this. No worry. At least that your thing when you lost during that first regime, if you feel killer, first they come out, we will replace it back in 100-fold. No worry. You see that your thing when they take, when we enter, we're going to bring it back. No worry. You see that revenue where they, then you're going to collect it. As many of you they talk so. If they, for resignation, that's what they do for the other side. Once you resign from Obaseki government, you drive to their location, meet them, show them your resignation letter. They'll write your name down, pay you large sum of money, then start to pay you the salary of the officer you owe for Obaseki regime. So like the former chief of staff at Kerele, they are receiving their money directly, but in this time from the opposition. So the Kerele will come out to come and say all sorts of lies because their money continues. And you know where the money they come from? The same Benin-based billionaire and Adamo Shomole will not help anybody. Now they use people to play politics for their own personal interest. That's why we call it the oil war. So it's very clear. This election is like an election between President Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton in the first tenure. The corporations and the establishment no want Trump. But the people of America wanted Trump. He won the elections. So in the same vein, some of these disgruntled politicians don't want Obaseki. But whether they like it or not, the people must re-elect him. I challenge them to go to the market, to go and campaign. Maybe what the market women go do them. I challenge them to go to schools when schools resume, to go and campaign. Maybe what they go do them. Where they want campaign to? Apart from gathering some selected miscreants. We're going to make myself now we they do. Now we they do. Nobody they do anything. This election is going to be free, fair, and credible. Do not be afraid. Come out and vote. Leave the rest for the government. Obaseki will be returned elected. The reform, and we are following the COVID-19 principle. Do you know why they are trying to gather crowd anywhere they go? They want to show you So you see the crowd, they support us now. So in case they ring down, you say, yeah, remember, no, they supporting you. Only one word rally in the donuts. The Obaseki. And shine the entire activities of these people. Only one word. He had shine now. So the point being made is very clear. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, Edo people stands with Obaseki. Then Osinbajo, the condolence vice president, accept my condolence. He not get mad to talk say he no come because he has been directed by Tinubu to come. Go and check if you will see El-Rufai there today. Go and check if you see Governor Fayemi there today. The likes of Amechi and all that, they won't be there. These are Minister of Transport, Amechi, they won't be there. Zulum, put your eye down and watch. As at this morning, Tribune report, APC governor condemned this Yamu and the manner of inauguration in Edo. Tribune reporter, I go show you now. I will post it immediately. It has been reported. The APC governors are not in consensus at the day with this formation. Naganduje Smogo is a Mugo meet Buhari. The only step Buhari tell him, go and contest. If you are popular, you will win. He not tell us that we will use federal men to manipulate. Then the likes of, I want to use this as a clear message. Michael use and reach the governor. His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. I ought to have written an official correspondence to you or seek your attention to tell you this. But I think I do not need to see you to tell you. I can send this message through the media here and it will get to you. Sir, no matter what it will cost, no matter what it will cost, even if they crash from now till next week, no matter what it will cost, let CNN, Sky News, and Al Jazeera, CNN, Sky News, Al Jazeera, BBC, let them be on ground a day to the elections so that the world will be seeing the activities. So like they tell you, say EU is coming for observer, America observer. Those ones, they can only express reports on the basis of what they see. But when this international media, they blow the election to the world, fear not go let one mumu or anybody bring unnecessary manipulative process come. Then, every of the supporters must get recording gadgets that can be connected to the internet or any Facebook handle. Sorry, the network was bad. When you do it like that, 50% you don't disorganize their plans. Then you can be able to get these people. Let this media they on ground. Their plan to rig will not work. Not be only ABS, ITV, channels, TVC. All those one will be there. But you see that international media made a day on ground. Their plan will never work. If they block attack, CNN go show them. If they throw speed, Al Jazeera go show them. When all these reports, they hit the world, globe international community we actually focus. Then Mr. Integrity not get any option than to follow the rule of law. We must pressure them. I repeat, no matter what it costs. You cannot be in the river and allow soap to enter into your eyes. No matter what it costs. We, the Edos, saw the progress. And we know what they do in respect of creating development in this state. Well, we know say you don't want to share our money, but for this one, my brother, go and spend money to bring this media. Made a day. Then, when you get all this on ground, other strategy there with us, we will not go talk for media. But for this one, the world need to know. And why I talk this one come out? Why I talk this one come out for here be say, I can tell you say, apart from campaign, over the campaign, me and the governor not ever get any direct interaction. So for those who go quick reach out, you can as well call him to do this. We must be ready to clutch Oshomole at all sides. If you not clutch that man, he's a desperate man that is ready to create disaster. Oshomole doesn't care about the number of persons who die. To him, the benefit from politics is more worthy than the lives of Edo people. He doesn't care about your life. A man who can openly come out on the media to say, we are going to give them violence. Which other language you want here? So get yourself prepared for the task ahead. Then, those sophisticated drones, better drone, no matter what it costs, at least 300 drone, suppose they air. Drones go there air, controlled from different locations. We're going to picture every aerial activities, aerial photography. Aerial photography, that when the election they go on, it play directly for control room. Everybody they watch out. Then analysis going to go on. Details will be documented. As soon as they announce results for wards, from unit to ward to collation center, updates should be taken. Now, we have 192 wards in Edo. If we can get a drone worth 500,000 naira, for example, let's get 300 of those drones. 2 or 3 per local government. Even if it is 1 million naira drone, bam! Forget anything where anybody want to talk. If you're asking a woman, not be your teeth you go use. Spend the money and get those drones. When you get all this one, let's say 2 in local government, 4 in local government. Sorry, 2 per ward. 2 per ward. See, now little information. Now you know we'll get all through in the elections. The drone As the drone, sorry, my network guy, Bill. As the drone, they fly, they go. The vehicle, where go they control the drone, go be unsuspecting vehicle. Nobody go know am say na that vehicle therefore they control that drone. Or any facility where they want use to control that drone. Because na rigging that they plan. We get many of this strategy, but for this one, I need to say it so that they can convey this message to the government. Because I don't think they can say we don't want, apart from normal campaign, we don't want to get direct rapport with government. No. But these things should be done. From what? As person where they word unit chairman for unit, as the case may be, record the result. As they call, you don't go. As the next unit they call, you don't go. Unit by unit. As they snap, you don't go. As they snap, you don't go. All these data will be somewhere. Then CNN and the rest, they give their steady updates about the election. Steady update. Let me tell you, those will be hawk. Go by themselves, sit down, say, Mona give who win. Make una give who win. If we do what is right, if you do what is right, believe me, they go fail. If you want to sell, if you think a joke, come out for Facebook, go say, who will buy me in politics? Then no say you feel mobilized. Tomorrow morning you don't come and negotiate your price. They don't try, come to negotiate your price. Let me tell you the simple truth. We know what to do. We know what to do. We work with these people now. We know them. We will check them. They can ring. But the truth is this. The truth is this. If we must achieve success, first, anything it costs to get media presence on ground, we should not stop. Anything where it costs. We should not that media, not be all this spy media normal. All this spy media still good though. Media will go report what will come up for inside Nigeria. Al Jazeera, no matter how cost that Al Jazeera will be, Al Jazeera cannot take, if it reach 40 million or 20, even 10 million. You not get 10 million naira. Let us spend money in those areas. That is the point. When we touch all these areas, believe me, they're not going to do anything. You where they put camera for a body, they watch you instantly. You fit do manipulation. Drones should fly on air. Drones should fly on air, whether they like it or not. Even if they say they dance here and there, Obaseki will be returned elected. When you have drones, when you have all other media outlets in place, when they report to the world, then immediately the highest media in the world today is Facebook. If just 3,000 persons watch you on Facebook, believe me, that alone have sent a clear message to the world. Then there must be some group that their responsibility will be, don't worry, let me just keep that off the media. Let's leave this. The one in respect to the CNN, Al Jazeera and others should be for the public. The public can reach out to the governor. If peradventure the governor did not see this video today, they should reach out to him, tell him to do all this. The resultant to be efficacious. So do not worry yourself about the flag off. They just smuggle themselves through the back door. The man with Baba Riga, the dollar man is already here. And Tinubu have already ordered and directed the vice president to be here. Let's see how many of those persons from Buhari structure that will be here. A president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is supposed to be at the flag off of his party. Let's see if the president will be here. Let's just see if the president will come. The president cannot come. Tinubu that you are going to see there, Osinbajo, is because Tinubu have ordered Osinbajo, the condolence president, vice president, to be here. He cannot tell Tinubu no. He will be here. We want to see if the president will be here. We want to see if the president will be here. Which vice? Somebody said his vice will be here. Which vice? Have you, apart from yesterday when you saw a picture with the vice president, have you ever seen the vice president before? Which vice? Condolence vice? He has been directed by Tinubu to be here. And he cannot say no. He will be here. But they all know the truth. They want to bring forces on us. It won't work. So I just want to make this mess to set the matter straight and for everyone to know exactly what is going on. Isaiah have not gotten the endorsement of the president. He was only given a flag, the same flag that was given to Ogboru. As we speak, they all lost elections. So the president did not assure them that he's going to ring the election for him. Go to the feed and test your popularity. Thank you very much once again. It's me, your brother, Comrade Stanley Sazosa. So in line with what I've said, international media must be on ground. It must be on ground. Then the drone must be on ground. If there is a way to create connectivity between the drone and international media so that their reportage will be extensive, even if they are at Ring Road, they can give report of what is happening in Orion. Even if they are at Sapler Road, they can give report of what is happening in Auchi. These drones, at least two in the 192 walls. If it's too much, 1 million. If it's too much, they spend 300 million now. We should do it. It is better to spend 300, 400, 500 million, even 1 billion to secure the interest of Edo than to allow these predators who stole public funds to use it to return themselves back to power. No. So it's time for us to take a stand. I remember my humble self, Comrade Stanley Sazosa, and I advise those who can reach out to the governor should do that immediately and let him know. Thank you once again, and a big bye for now.